Welcome back. In this module, we'll be delivering or delving into the summarized bill of materials. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, understanding this concept will help you. So let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is a summarized bill of materials? Think of it as the Cliff Notes version of a traditional bill of materials. While a detailed bill of materials breaks down every nut and bolt, a summarized bill of materials gives you a bird's eye view of the product structure. Essentially, the summarized bill of materials lists all the parts, quantities required, and other pieces of key information that you would need to build your item. One key difference is that the summarized bill of materials does not list the various levels of an item. In addition to this, it will only list items once, even if they are used in different places of the bill of materials. This is, as you may have guessed, is why it is summarized. So, why do we need a summarized bill of materials? Well, let's imagine you're a project manager tasked with estimating material costs for a new product. Instead of sifting through pages of detailed BOMs, a summarized BOM gives you a quick snapshot of the main assemblies and their quantities. And there you have it, folks, a crash course in the summarized bill of materials. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your toes into the world of bills of materials, understanding this concept is essential for streamlining your production planning process. So next time you're tackling a new project, remember the power of the summarized BOM. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.